Oh, there. Okay, now we're flashing. Before it wasn't flashing. Okay.
That's okay. The other thing, like humans, when I want them to work out their back, I have them do this.
Okay.
Which is kind of hard to ask a dog to do.
So you have your right arm down, your left leg out?
Exactly.
Okay.
So what I can do with her is try picking up her left front, and I'm going to pick up her opposite. And her standing like that is a lot of work for her back muscles to do. Good girl. So you have to try and put her foot down a few seconds at a time to start. And then I can do the opposite. These are called Snoopies. Why, I don't know. So I can pick up her right one, her right front. Okay, so you can her back up. There you go.
She's kind of an uptight dog anyway, so she's probably figuring out why you're trying to do all this. Yeah.
Good girl. That's a great exercise for her back and her tummy. Very nice. And it's nice, too, because you get kind of the added benefits of then when I pick up these two, then the weight is on her, her right wrist. So it's kind of nice. Get more bang for your buck, right, sweetie? I got you two more with you. Oh, I know. She's like, I don't work for free anymore. Okay, over here. Over here. That's my girl, Josie. Thank you. Oh,
come on, Joe.
Hi, Josie. So what I'm going to do is actually just line up so my knee is in between her two legs.
All right.
And then what I want her to do, I'm going to see if she'll sit on it.
Sit, Joe.
So will you sit?
Sit.
Okay, she'll sit. She's like, oh, it feels fun.
Yeah, and she's suspicious of everything. She's not.
Okay. Okay. Look, I'll even raise up a little bit. Sit, please. Oh, good girl.
Good girl. Do so good, Joe. Do so good.
So even just sitting in this position is nice.
All right.
Because I can bring her legs in where I want them, so she's not leaning on one hip.
All right. All right.
The other thing you can do, too, when she's here, is massage along her back a little bit, especially that area where she gets heat.
And what's the massage? Is it like 2 fingers, or what are you doing?
I have my fingers down the side of her spine.
And just a light pressure?
Yeah, just like a little lengthening down along her spine.
Okay. She probably likes that.
Oh. So this is kind of like the area where you're focusing on with her cat stretch.
Oh.
So for her to sit in this position is nice because she's lined up and she's balanced.
So we want her to sit pretty.
Yeah, sit pretty. And get a little back rub. You can do that, right? And then from here, what I want her to do is to stand up. So if she needs help, what I can do is start to stand up. If I start to stand up. Oh, stand up, sweetie. Stand up, sweetie. There you go. I can start to stand up. It's going to help her. Because anytime you raise the surface, it's going to take the pressure off of how much work she has to do.
Okay.
But I just want her to practice getting up so she's using her back legs more.
All right.
She's using her back legs more like this versus to the side. Here, just
oh, okay.
Oh, you have to do that again. Oh, you know my tricks now, don't you? You're too far. One more time, please. One more time. One more time. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, good girl, Josie. Good girl. Who's a good Josie? Who's a good Josie?
Josie's suspicious of her butt.
I know. Everyone gets suspicious of me after a couple minutes. Okay, sweetheart. That's nice.
Josie, that's a lady with a nice little poodle that you'd like to take for a snack. That poodle would taste good.
There you go. Okay, so now she's sitting really nicely. So from this position, what I want her to do...
Let me go. See, so she has a foot on each side.
And I have my knees here just as a guide. I'm not
Joe, get your head out of the way.
The last thing, I would never squeeze her leg like that.
Squeeze it, honey.
I don't want to squeeze it. There's space here.
All right.
I don't want to squeeze it because
oh,
she wants to work her leg. I don't want her to work her knee.
Oh,
so
okay.
It's a guide. It's not squeezing.
All right.
All right. So can we stand up, Joe? Joe, up.
Let's go.
There you go. Good girl. Good
so that
girl.
teaches her to get up the proper way, too,
yeah.
then.
So when she stands up that way and her weight is evenly distributed, she's using both legs equally. And
all right.
Okay. That's a good one.
Joe, good time. Joe, easy. It's all right, honey. Easy, Joe. It's all right. There, easy. Do so good, Joe.
Good girl. All I want to do with her is
kind of
push her way backwards.
Okay. All right.
Just kind of slide the ball. But I'm going to take what I can get right now.
All right.
Okay. Sit down. I'm just going to practice rocking her back. So I have my hands above her knees.
All right.
I can shift her weight back.
Huh.
So she's not putting as much weight forward. And then the other thing you can do is she doesn't use her right side as much, so right now I'm shifting her back into the right.
Okay.
And I can actually feel her quad kind of quivering a little bit because her muscles are kind of tight. You can do it to the other side too. We're not going to ignore her.
Now, are the muscle spasms weakness or pain?
Spasms sometimes is like when there's tightness and you hit it. I'm not talking about her spasming. It's
all right. You can feel, okay. All right. But when I do feel spasms, that's tightness.
That's
Okay.
why it would be good, like I'm going to write on your sheet too, it wouldn't be a bad idea to come and learn how to do massage.
Yeah, we're kind of do like a little bit at a time. Had to get rid of the pain a little bit, and then I thought this would be the next step.
There you go. So this is just shifting her back and into the right side a little bit.
Joe, do so good.
More in the ball, but
yeah, that's all right. Well, she's... Whoops.
Girl. Good girl. Push again. The idea is you can kind of tell over time if she's getting better if you hear left toe clicking.
All right.
You can raise the board.
Okay.
And you can see how she's doing it. If she's doing it one at a time versus hopping.
Okay.